question for you. Though, of course, Padmaja is the seasoned anchor here, but purely from a layman's perspective, since you believe every poll survey that is, saying that Congress is in the pole position and the lead position, by that logic, you should also believe the Times EPG survey, the Loknath CBS poll, the India Today poll, which have clearly said anywhere between 287 to 315 is what the BJP-led NDA will win in 2024, which is the battle of all battles. So basically, you've written off Congress in 2024, you've written off the dot alliance. आपने ये मान लिया है कि राहुल गांधी इस जन्म में तो प्रधानमंत्री बनने से रहे, because you are taking pollsters at their face value. Do you admit Congress is set to lose 2024 and the dot alliance is vanquished?
And I want to bring in JVC and Lokesh Jindal. Yes.
Sanju.
Give Sanju ji the Lok Sabha so the Congress can take all the Vidhan Sabha. That's what the opinion polls are saying.
See, if Sanju believes into the opinion polls and he wants to believe that the mother of all battle 2024 will be hugely won by the BJP, so she should also believe that they are going to badly lose assembly elections. As simple.
Who said you believe pollsters? I simply threw the gauntlet back at you and you got caught on your own back foot in your own trap. I will just say this, Padmaja, without being too verbose. Have you noticed something? What were people saying before Shivraj Singh Chauhan's candidature was announced, that he will still contest from Budna, which is where he's been contesting from since 2006. And the likes of, Raman Singh has been contesting from Rajnandgaon for the longest time. इन्होंने बोला था इस बार शिवराज सिंह को टिकट मिलेगी बट शायद बुधना से नहीं मिलेगी, इस बार नरोत्तम मिश्रा को टिकट मिलेगी बट शायद दातिया विच इज ट्रेडिशनल स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड वहां से नहीं मिलेगी. क्या हुआ? बुधनी, यस, माय बैड. व्हाट हैपेंड? बुधनी से शिवराज सिंह चौहान को टिकट दे दिया, दातिया से नरोत्तम मिश्रा को टिकट दे दिया, राजनांदगांव से छत्तीसगढ़ में रमन सिंह को टिकट दे दिया.
बट नाम ही अनाउंस किया उनका सीएम फेस.
तो सीएम फेस को क्यों हम बताएं? हम प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा है.
आप बता देते, मोदी जी को तो बता दिया था आपने, एकदम कंधे पे हाथ रख के तो बताया था.
ठप्पा मारो, कमल के फूल पर ठप्पा मारो, मोदी जी ने कह दिया, बात खत्म.
Okay, quick, JVC. At least Shivraj ji will be a happy man today. JVC.
Ashutosh ji, I want to tell him that as far as the opinion polls are concerned, right now I have seen an opinion poll which shows that Chhattisgarh could be a tie, 45-45. And Rajasthan is a closely fought race, but the BJP has got a slender lead. And again, Madhya Pradesh is a close fight. Now, I think Sanju Verma had asked a very pertinent question. If the opposition alliance is believing in these opinion polls for the state assembly, then they should also believe.
Okay, fine. But JVC, does that mean that the BJP